Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be doing the two-sum problem, which is Leetcode problem number 1. So the problem says, given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume each input has exactly one solution and you can't return the same element twice. So let's get into it. One of the ways we could solve this is we could iterate through the list of numbers and look at every single pair, every single possible pair, and see if they add up to the target. That would be quite inefficient. An easier way is only going to require one pass through our list of numbers, would be to look at the target minus the number that we're looking at, so the difference between the target and the number that we're looking at, and see if that number exists somewhere else in the list. So let's go ahead and let's try that. So we are going to start by enumerating our list, and I comma x is going to give you the index comma the actual number. So we're going to say our difference is going to be the difference between the target and the number. Then we're going to check if that difference exists in the list of numbers, and if it does, there we have our answer. It's that easy. We're going to return the index of the number that we're looking at now and the index of the difference. Now, one thing we want to make sure is that these two are not the same index, because we don't want to be returning the same element twice. So, for example, if you have a target of 10 and you come across a 5, you don't want to return the index of that 5 twice, because that's not going to be accepted. So let's just make sure. And let's go ahead and run that. It was accepted with our first test case. And it was accepted for the submission. So that is how you do Leetcode, the two-sum problem, problem number 1.